Yasuke with 5 kills. He gets stunned. Skylar is dead again. Kyrie over
Boss, what is Skylar doing there, boss?
Tapi skill 2 dia bagus loh.
Parang nag-outro.
this Lord
Hindi
might
pa nagpe-perform si Skylar ah. Skylar nga eh, medyo ano, kabado pa to si Skylar. Boss, is Skylar nervous?
it seems like
Parang kinakabahan, guys.
well, he did die 2 times.
Yeah.
He's like a lot more safe. It seems, yeah.
Hindi gagana si Skylar mamaya, pre. What is Skylar doing? Wala si Skylar, guys.
Kenapa? Why is Skylar car?
No, lihat aja. Enggak, dia bilang Skylar terlalu maju dari tadi. Matinya juga ke-pick off terus. No, he's asking why did you say Skylar?
No, dia lagi underperform, bro.
Dia lagi apa?
Underperform.
No, underperform.
Kata trimmer.
But it's still game 1, guys. It's still game 1. It's still game 1, I think.
Very
Go. Burst. Kyrie! Patay si Kyrie. Oy, immortality. Magana yan, babayin cell yan. Born in cell yan, tol. Bibili niya lahat ng ano. Kyrie! Kyrie! Oh, GG. Terjap talaga kayo.
Jumer, yun na eh.
Ang lakas na itong alter ego kahit walang Lancelot na.
Skylar.
Orang udah nonton minum, gak ada ultimate anjing. Kalau tiba-tiba immortal nih.
Both of them had
Nice try ulit, videonya AF.
Nice try.
I'll just stream it on Discord.